Warning! This video is not made for kids only. Let's get started. Season 6 Episode 22. Classic Caillou makes a bootleg kids show out of Woody Woodpecker / Grounded. This video was requested by Zachlin Animations. And it was inspired by the new Polygon 2011 and the similar animations.
Why I am keep getting arrested in Roblox prison life. That's it. I'm going to make a bootleg kids show out of Woody Woodpecker.
After Classic Caillou watched the show,
I'm going to make a VHS copy out of Woody Woodpecker and deliver to someone's house.
After Classic Caillou made a copy.
No, not that house. That's Mr. Hernandez's house. And how did I become a floating head? Perfect! Now just put the box down carefully. Just like that.
Time to go outside. Wait a minute, is that a box? I think someone delivered it. But let's just stick it inside. Alright, now, what inside the box? Wow, a VHS copy out of Woody Woodpecker. I don't know I love, but let's just put it in.
Hello, welcome to Woody Stupid Woodpecker.
What? That's not the real intro. I think there's a change-up.
Hey dude, do you want some cigarettes?
Yeah, Woody, and I will kill your piece of shh.
Don't you be a fireball!
I don't remember this episode.
When Classic Caillou made another copy and delivered to someone's house.
Why is there a box? I didn't order anything. Is that a VHS of Woody Woodpecker? I don't know, but let's put it in.
When Scott watched the intro.
Those are not the real intro. I think Universal changed the intro.
Alright, what did you think?
It's not good, motherfucker. Kerr, the pictures looks bad, and I hate it.
Why did you hate this? In picture.
I don't remember this show, and why is there swearing, and why is the evil as a caveman?
When everyone watched the bootleg Woody Woodpecker. Not again.
Hang up. Why is raining on the way?
Ugh, I don't know.
Okay then. Take 2.
This is Polygon News. Someone has been making bootleg kids show of Woody Woodpecker. We have Woody on live here. Go ahead, Woody. What is going on around in Polygon City?
Well, someone's been making multiple shows on my own show. I don't know who did. But I bet it's someone from the Anderson family.
There you go, everyone. It's someone from the Anderson family. Stay tuned after a short commercial break. This is Android Robot Mail, signing out.
Wait! Someone's been making bootleg kids show of Woody Woodpecker. That show is my childhood, and why would someone make this bootleg kids show of that? Hi Dad. Dad, are you okay? Classic freaking Caillou Anderson. I think you were the one who made a bootleg kids show of Woody Woodpecker. That show is my childhood, and you made a bootleg kids show of that. You know making bootleg kids show is very illegal. Why Classic Caillou? Why? That is freaking it. You're grounded for 73 months. Go to your freaking room right freaking now. Group of exclamation marks. Washington H.
Thanks for watching.